Quickly and easily attach and detach, leaving your hoverboard untouched. The controls are incredibly intuitive, and with a bit of practice, anyone can pull wheelies and spins with ease.
Depending on the hoverboard, the top speed is around 10 to 12 miles per hour, which is a blast when you're only a few inches from the ground.
You have a third point of contact with the ground, so you're no longer relying on your sense of balance to keep you from falling.
The handles give you a firm grasp on the hoverboard, so it's virtually unaffected by bumps and terrain that would send even the most experienced hoverboard riders tumbling.